Shop update. So we got this TR125, 1996, one of the best motors made with the Honda. That's what people say. Basically, just had piston slab, but only had 120 pounds of compression, so we figured it's time to pull her apart. Pretty dirty. We're planning on just polishing the whole thing, possibly sending the suspension in. New tires. We just put new sprockets on the motor. We're gonna put a new piston in. Cylinder's getting home. That's in the shop right now. We tried to clean her up best we can. We're not done yet though. Yeah, bottom end's good. It's gonna need new clutch plates, but basket isn't notched or anything. And then we got our RM250. That thing's gonna be sold in the spring. Getting new plastics. They're pretty rough, but otherwise it's crazy bike to ride. It's pretty fast. And yeah, that's it. This is Jacob's new sled. After he rolled the Mountain Max, he bought a Skidoo 600 MXEX. It's got 7,800 miles, or 7,400. Got it for $1,000. It's got a new top end. Only thing is that seat's pretty crap, but it's got a good track. It's got the SC10 suspension. It's a pretty mean sled. And we just got a couple feet of powder, so it's pretty fun.